Ladies and gentlemen, the Rack Warehouse is proud to present the installation of the FatCat EVO 6 in silver. Let's get ready! The EVO comes with hardware for round and square bars, as well as universal hardware to fit most wing-shaped crossbars. An additional SmarT T-slot Kit number 2 can be purchased to fit bars with C-channels. The EVO 6 has the ability to fit up to 6 pairs of skis or 4 snowboards sandwiched together. The FatCat EVO 6 offers roughly 32 inches of usable space to work with. There is also an expandable hinge on the rear side to fit thicker skis and boards as well. Begin installation of the universal mounts by unscrewing the lever knob from the top of the mounting hardware. Toward the outer portion of the EVO 6 there are 2 mounting positions so you can bring the carrier further out on the side of your vehicle. This helps with loading on taller SUVs. Next, place the washer on top and loosely attach the lever knob. The rear part of the EVO only has 1 mounting position. Now place the ski carrier on top of your bars and wrap the strap underneath the bar and place the buckle into the clamp. Adjust the gray knob to the point where closing the buckle will be met with firm resistance. Repeat the same steps for the rear mount. You may need to pull the carrier a little out of the way to avoid hitting the lift kit when buckling into place. The EVO has several degrees of tilting to compensate for angled crossbars. Adjust the carrier so it runs horizontal with the roof, then start tightening the lever knob and close it down into place. There should be firm resistance when closing the lever. If you do not have enough clearance for your bindings, there's a built-in lift kit. Remove the long Allen bolt and lift up the EVO. Place the washer and lever knob on first and keep it loosely tightened. Be sure your hardware is loose and slide it into place so the lift kit is completely vertical and tighten the Allen bolt. Now tighten down the lever knob and completely fold it down. You can store your Allen wrench in the carrier as well. The lift will add roughly 6.5 inches of height from the top of your crossbar. For round and square bars, remove the top cover, determine which setting you want to use, and take your adapter and wrap it around your bar and snap it into place. Please note there are tabs you need to cut out for square bars. Place the covers back on with the arrow oriented toward the front of the car. Mount the carrier on top, place the washer on top, and screw down the lever knob completely. The FatCat series features a large button for easy opening with your gloves on. To lock it, simply insert your key and turn it 90 degrees clockwise. Thanks for watching the installation of the Yakima FatCat EVO 6 in silver. If you have further questions, visit us at rackwarehouse.com or call us at 800-272-5362. And always remember, we fit your lifestyle!